Sparky Sparks here. Oh my goodness, I have new hair. Now this is summertime. This is screaming summertime, right? This is called SPF Blonde, the color, and it is by Estetica. This is stunning. This is called Jones, the style. And I think wolf cut, I think summertime. Check out the profile. Real beach, real lake hair, just gorgeous. Very low density, basic cap. So it's not a lot of hair. It's not gonna be warm. You're not gonna wear it off of your forehead. You're gonna wear it like this. And you're gonna enjoy, and the SPF is protecting your head, basically. I love the color title, SPF Blonde, because I wear wigs to protect the top of my head. Let's look at the inside. So you can see it is a basic cap. No real lace front, just a basic cap. Adjusters back here with hooks. There's that pesky tag, so you're gonna wanna take that off so it doesn't tuck through. Give her another shake. I'm outside today on my patio, feeling like summer. It's finally cooled off a little bit. No cap, I'm just putting her on straight. No protective cap or wig grip. Just gonna wear her like this today. So cute. You can toss her around. I think wolf cut. I can pull her back a little bit because I have such a high forehead. I like to part it here. Give her a little spin on the back. You can see it's just a gorgeous day. Love to know your thoughts. Since you're here, please subscribe, follow, comment, let me know what your thoughts are. I review wigs. I've written a book, and that's over here. You can also tap here on in my descriptions, and I've got hair in my eye. I have a website, and you can shop all the hair through my website. You can check the link here that I've dropped here. All sorts of great things. Love to know if you have any questions, if you're new to wigs, if you are interested in seeing different styles, short hair, long hair, red hair. I wear all of them. So excited to be here. Thank you for coming to my channel today. I am just loving summer, and this time of year really gets me fired up. So I hope you're having a great day. And again, subscribe to my channel, follow, all of those great things, and I'll see you back here again soon. Cheers.